Hello my dear children, today's topic is designer pen box for Teachers Day. We celebrate Teachers Day on 5th September every year, the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, President of India. He was a great scholar and excellent teacher. That's why we celebrate this day as a Teacher's Day. So here I am going to share Teachers Day special handmade gift idea. Material required for this craft: old wedding card, glue and few decorative items. So let's begin. Children, for designer pen and pen box, you have to cut this type of piece of paper from any old wedding card, like this square paper, and this paper, one strip you have to cut, and one big circle and one small circle. Okay children, now take glue. Here I am using this glue. If you have Fevicol or any type of glue, you can use. Now apply glue like this, and you have to paste it this way. Okay children, so you will get this type of shape. Alright, let it dry for 5 minutes. Now children, take this small strip and apply glue like this and fold it this way. Press it nicely and keep it aside so that it will dry. Now children, take this big circle and apply glue here, and we will paste this glitter circle like this to make it beautiful. ओके, इसको हम लोग थोड़ा सजा देंगे. Now cut a slit like this, and now next step you have to fold it like this. Apply glue here. This way you will apply glue and make a cone shape like this. Okay children, now let it dry for 5 minutes. Children, now take this big roll and you will cut 2 small eyes like this and 1 lips with red color paper lips and black color paper eyes. Now you have to apply glue here and paste eyes like this. So this way you will paste eyes and you will paste lips like this. Okay children, now keep it aside to let it dry. Now this cone is dry. Now here you will apply glue like this and you will paste this small roll like this. Okay children, now let it dry. Now next step, we have one more small circle. Apply glue here like this and you have to paste this small circle here on this big roll. Okay children, this way you have to paste this small circle like this. All right. Now children, take this pen, any type of pen you can take, and if you have any decorative item, so you can paste like this for the decoration of this pen. Now keep this pen inside this box. अब ये वाला रोल भी सूख गया है ना. अब now you can close it like this. Now children, your designer pen and designer pencil box is ready. Children, that's all for today. Now use your creativity and make your own pen box and pen like this. Size and color you can choose as per your choice. Thank you children.